Okay, we're in Seminyak. We're at the beach. This is called Coup d'etat. Coup d'etat. Looks like they got something set up for live music. DJs in particular, looks like. This is basically what it looks like. And we're gonna just kind of stroll along, kind of show you more of Seminyak. And we're gonna start in Coup d'etat and kind of highlight some of the main stuff. So, and we're just gonna be walking down that way towards all those umbrellas way down there. Okay, there's a Coup d'etat, and we're just gonna kind of stroll down. I think you can see some kind of surf way out there. I would just kind of give you little pockets of it here and there. Okay, so Seminyak. I'm actually gonna jump off the beach. You can see there's a lot more down that way as well. I just kind of get the full spectrum. Sorry, this is gonna be kind of a short one. Thought it might be more, but just kind of giving you a little taste of what Bali looks like a little bit. Video saved. I just found this little walkway, so I'm gonna walk along that. And yeah, it's gonna go out this way, but it looks like just kind of in the path without a clear exit. So instead we'll just follow this, and this will kind of give you a little idea of Seminyak. Yeah, I was actually here just before COVID, so it's kind of funny. I'm walking down some of the same areas that I did before, and I didn't realize there was a nice sidewalk either. Okay, so we're just gonna walk along. Looks like we got a bunch of resorts to the one side. And yeah, the sidewalk. I didn't realize there was a sidewalk here in Seminyak. There was one in Sanur, and I was over there not too long ago, and they told me that they just built that about 1 year ago. So I was kind of surprised by that, because it really makes a big difference. Yeah, and so now we're kind of more in Seminyak. You can get a better idea of what it looks like exactly. Hello. And basically got lots of like resorts over there and beach. Ice, look at that ice right there. Wow. Huh. Okay. So yeah, this is Seminyak. We're kind of near the heart of Seminyak Beach as well. All right. So we're basically walking along Seminyak. You got some places to eat right here as well. And we got a little bit of shade as well. So actually this whole path, I was actually thinking that, you know, Sanur has a path like this too. And you have all these trees everywhere. So there's like little parts where there's some nice shade. So it's kind of nice to see it over here as well. Anyways, we're kind of walk along a little bit and then kind of show you what the sidewalk part looks like, and a little bit of Seminyak right there. Okay, so you can see the surf way out there. It's actually upstairs up here too. So we're gonna get pizzadilla. Okay, so we're gonna exit Seminyak and get into the street. We got that nice little thing right there, Seminyak, and the pool. It's kind of resorts all over the place. All right. So Seminyak, and we're gonna be leaving the beach. I'm just gonna walk along the road and sit for a while and kind of talk about different stuff. All right, there's Seminyak. Oops. Little golf cart. And we're just gonna end it right there. Yeah.